if you aren't using Amazon AWD for your quarter four inventory, you're literally just away. So AWD is a low cost bulk storage. And at least for 2025's holiday season, they didn't increase the fees. FBA, yeah, they tripled them. So this is your opportunity to save a lot of money. And it's in Amazon's ecosystem, right? So it is very nice to do. Now, it's pretty much like 4 steps. You access it, you prep your inventory. Usually it's going to be a pallet, ship it to they'll come to you, they'll pick up your pallet, and then they'll take it to the Amazon AWD facility. Once you get low on inventory, there you go. Amazon will ship it to the customer. So you're going to log into your Amazon Seller Central, and we're going to go into inventory and AWD, right? So this is what it's going to look like. Quick actions right here. And what we want to do is we want to send your inventory to AWD. Super simple. Click on that. You're going to then access whatever item you want to send in. I recommend just one SKU for your first time, okay? Because it has all these rules, right? Shipments with 25 or more boxes must be single SKU. Shipments with 50 or more boxes can be 3 SKU. A lot of different things, right? But I would just use single SKU for your first time. Let's just get it down. Then you can move it. Click your item, ship from, ship to, put all the information in that you want, your packing details, how many boxes are you sending. This is obviously the main thing is how many boxes are you going to be sending, right? 10 boxes. How many units altogether? How many units per box? So we're sending 150 boxes. Each box is just 1 unit for this. Then you click ready to send. When you click ready to send, and then it's going to click, this is going to highlight in green, confirm and continue. Confirm and continue. And they're going to be like, all right, I'm going to ship it out tomorrow, right? Whatever you want to do. And you got shipping mode. You can do SPD or you can do LTL. SPD, as you can see, it's $700. LTL is $158. LTL is just a pallet, right? And I'm going to be honest, you can go to your local store and probably just get a pallet. They usually have extra. If not, you can order just slats of wood on Amazon. They have a kit. You can build your own pallet, which takes about 5 minutes to do and saves you $600. So just do that. And they come pick it up. If you do LTL, they pick up your shipment. If you do SPD, you're just shipping out individual boxes. They will not pick up your inventory for you. Like that's not included in this, right? So we did LTL for this one. And then pretty much when we do that, we go to the next step. We're like, all right, sweet. Thanks, Amazon. Oh, okay. So then we say, okay, thanks. Okay. Then we say, thanks, Amazon, so much. And they give us these box labels. So then each box, we have to put a label on each box, right? We'll print them out. They'll look something like, they'll be like big labels, kind of like this. Put them each one on. See, she's doing it right there. And then we go to the next step. And this is the palletization, right? So this is where we're going to palletize everything. All right, so we get to the next step, and now we're at palletization. And this is pretty much just telling Amazon, like, all right, this is how much it weighs, stuff like that. You can kind of just do the math between one box and then kind of multiply it out, right? And then you kind of just go from there, confirm it, put your person on there, palletization, bada bing, bada boom, and then it gives you a final price for everything. Fully loaded truck shipments only, fully loaded. So once you do that, next step, then they're going to give you pallet labels. So once you labeled all the boxes, stack them in the pallet. Then you're going to saran wrap that pallet, bada bing. And then what you're going to do is they're going to put on that, right? So each side, usually it's each side, you're going to put one little barcode. It's just extra for Amazon so they don't mess up. You can see here it is. It's got that saran wrap around those. Good to go, right? Finally, you'll be able to view the tracking. So you can view the tracking, and what they're going to do, since this is LTL, they're going to come and pick it up from your house, right? Wherever it is, your house, your warehouse. If it's from your house, I recommend, because on the BOL, you're going to need this because this is your proof, because you're going to give this to them. And they're going to be like, okay, you're legit. Okay. Because whoever's picking it up is getting paid by Amazon. And it's Central Transport. You can contact them if they're picking it up at your house and be like, hey, can you guys, it's a residential, by the way, here's how to get in. Can you guys have a lift gate, right? Because you can't lift it. So make sure you do that. There are some nightmares that happen on AWD, but there hasn't been many. It's going to be, if you get all the inventory at AWD, sometimes it takes a while for them to restock your actual Amazon FBA fulfillment center, right? That's your main one. Sometimes it's in slow. That's why you got to get it in early. Sometimes they damage your product. And then there could be miscalculations. But there hasn't been many errors. Like the only thing I've seen is going to be number one, number two, right? They're going to be, sometimes they are slow to restock. That's going to be during the holiday season, and then slow inbound processing holiday season as well. But if you have your inventory in early, you'll be good to go. If you need help on Amazon, we specialize in everything Amazon inventory. We know what we're doing. We've done it A, B, C, and D into your FC inventory, or we can ask for pretty much an increase of your FC inventory, or we could do AWD. So you're going to have a lot of options. We're here to help. The link's right in the description. If you found this useful, definitely like, subscribe. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO, signing out.